Good day, sir. Today we're explaining criteria on damage stability. So, basic of damage stability determination, chapter 2-1. What is damage stability? Stability means the ability of the ship to remain afloat and stable after sustaining hull damage that causes flooding of one or more compartments. SOLAS Chapter 2-1 regulates subdivision and damage stability to ensure the ship have sufficient safety margin against sinking or capsizing after collision or damage. So number 1, two approaches in SOLAS Chapter 2-1. Since 2009, regulation use mainly probabilistic method with some deterministic checks, replacing older purely rule-based methods. Probabilistic concept or main rule. Safety is measured by a 10 subdivision index probability that a specific compartment or group of compartments is flooded. SI equals probability the ship survives that flooding condition. This is compared against the required index, which depends on the ship length and type. Rule A Gag R ship complies. Waterline limit. After damage and flooding, the final equilibrium waterline must remain below the margin line, usually 76 mm below bulkhead deck at side. Ensures opening remain above water and flooding does not spread further. Heel angle. Maximum allowable heel is generally 15 Celsius or up to 17 Celsius if deck edge is not submerged. Higher angles increase risk of capsizing or progressive flooding. Residual stability GC curve. Minimum range of positive stability at least 20 Celsius beyond equilibrium angle. Maximum rating lever GZ at least 0.10 m within that range. Area under GZ curve minimum energy requirement. Ensure enough reserve stability to withstand external forces like wind or waves. Progressive flooding. Flooding must not spread uncontrollably through openings, door ducts, pipes, unless they are watertight or can be closed. If flooding is progressive, survival time must be sufficient for evacuation and rescue. So the last one, special requirements. Passenger ships. Additional checks for minor damage cases and special standards for forward AFT regions. Cargo ships. Simplified but still meet the probabilistic index requirement. That's all, sir. Thank you.